Hello friends, welcome to Finance tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to calculate the future value of a single annuity. So in our previous videos, we have discussed how to calculate the present value of a simple annuity. So if you haven't checked out that video yet, then please go ahead and see it first. So in case of a present value of annuity, we are receiving certain amount of cash flows at the end of a period for suppose next 5 years. And we will discount each cash flow to its present value at time 0. To know the present value of the cash flow or the annuity. But in case of future value, we will calculate the future value of each cash flow at period 5th. So the amount to be received at period 5 is already at its future value. But we need to calculate the 5th year value of remaining 4 cash flows. So we will understand with an example how to calculate the future value of annuity using a formula and the Excel spreadsheet. Suppose you are going to invest $1,000 each year for the next 5 years. The first investment starts in first year, that is in 1 year from today, and the rate of interest is 8%. How much would be the total value of investment at the end of 5th year? So this one is a simple annuity where the cash flow starts at the end of a period. So the future value of annuity formula is P into 1 plus R to the power n minus 1 divided by R, so where P is the periodic payments, R is the rate per period or rate of interest, n is the number of periods. So here P is 1,000, R is 8%, and N is 5. So future value is equal to 1,000 into 1 plus 0.08 to the power 5 minus 1 divided by 0.08. One point zero eight to the power 5 is 1.469328. This one comes out 5.866601. So the present value of annuity is 5,866.60. We can also use the Excel spreadsheet to calculate the future value of the annuity, and the function you have to use is equal to FV. Then you have to give the rate, number of periods, PMT, that is the annuity, PV, that is the present value, and type. So here rate is 8%, number of periods is 5, annuity is $1,000, present value is 0, or you can leave it blank, and type is 0, that is the end of a period annuity. So your present value is 5,866.60. So if you invest $1,000 each year at the end of the year for the next 5 years at the rate of interest of 8%, then you will be accumulating $5,866 at the end of 5th year. So I hope you would have understood the topic. If you have any doubt, feel free to leave a comment, and also leave any suggestions in the comment section. Also go ahead and check out my Patreon channel. Support me if you like my work. The link is given in the description. Like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.